Welcome to Angie's Sensational Crafts. Today, she will be demonstrating step 2 of how to make a ballerina wreath.
Hi everybody. So before on step 1, this is how I painted the ballerina. Used 3 coats of paint, but this is the color that the customer wanted, a darker color than the other ballerina. So what you're going to do for step 2, it comes with the shirt and it comes with the ballerina slippers. So we're just going to glue on the slippers and the top and then let that dry for step 2. That's like the easiest part. So what you're going to need is some glue. I got this lock light glue for it. So you just want to take it and then glue the back of your ballerina slippers. Just go all around, kind of like smooth it out like that. And you're just going to apply it to the foot. Press down a little bit like that, and the same with the other one. You're just doing the same thing. That. And then you're just going to glue it on the other one, on the other foot, like that. Just measure it all up. And then just press down on the glue. And then with the top, it's the same thing. Try to get the edges as well. And if you want, you can use your finger to smooth out the glue if you want to do that. It's not going to hurt you. So just even out the glue on your wooden pieces. Or if you got a sponge or something, you can use that as well. So there's that. And then just make sure you got plenty of glue on it so it doesn't pop off. So this is what it looks like when you have it glued like that. And you can get the ballerina rail wreath forms from allthingsengraving.com, and it's on Etsy. Just look up rail wreath forms and it'll come up. And just let that dry. It'll take a few hours for it to dry. And after this dries, then I'll show you step 3, which is attaching the ballerina wreath attaching the ballerina wreath and the mesh, and then I'll show you how to put the pipe cleaner on the back and the little jeweled little thingies, but she's going to have little pearls instead. So, but I'll show you that on step 3 when I put the attachment on for the tutu. So this is just step 2. I think it's the easiest part, but there it is so far. So, all right, have a good day. Bye.